their shortcut to create. How can we create the shortcut? Very simple. Select a file or folder which shortcut you want to create on the desktop. Then right click on file or folder. Then after that right click. When you right click, then one pull down menu appear. On that click on the send to option. When you click on the send to option, after that you can see another menu will appear. On that you select the desktop. When you click on the desktop create shortcut, then one shortcut will created on the desktop. There are various work you can do by the help of the operating system. One of the job is very interesting job is that CD burning. So actually what is CD burning? CD burning means the copy file or folder on the CD or DVD. If you want to copy any file or folder on the CD, for this you must require a recordable CD drive or DVD drive and a writable CD-ROM and CD burning software installed on the computer. These things must be required. If these are the things not in your system, then you cannot burn the CD. Suppose all the things available, then insert CD in CD-ROM drive. First step, insert CD in the CD-ROM drive. Then open a CD burning software by clicking its icon on the desktop. Click on data CD option. When you click on data CD option, then click on add button to browse and select the desired to add them for burning. Click on next option to write the repeated file to the CD. Then click on burn option. Click on OK at the data disk burning dialog box as it appears after completion the burning process. We are learning the Windows operating system, so you must have to know about that. What is operating system? A good and efficient house owner manage all the affairs at home efficiently and effectively. The parents act as a manager of the home affair. Generally, this thing happen in every family, either father and mother. They can manage this thing. Similarly, a computer which is made of numerous parts does many tasks at a time. So it needs a manager, which is called the operating system of the computer. Operating system is a software that help you to operate the computer system through its various functions. It controls and manages the different parts of a computer system. Operating system work as a middleman between the computer parts and between the user and computer. Graphics user interface. Graphics user interface use graphics to interact with the hardware. The graphic user interface is a type of user interface that allow user to interact with the electronic device through graphical icon and visual indicator. The action in a GUI are usually performed through direct manipulation of the graphical element. For example, all version of Microsoft Windows utilize a GUI, whereas MS-DOS does not. A major advantage of GUI is that they make computer operation more convenient and thus easier to learn and use. A GUI use Windows icon menu to carry out commands such as opening, deleting and moving file. Although many graphical user interface operating system are navigated through the use of mouse, the keyboard can also be utilized by using keyboard shortcut. For example, it is much easier for a new user to move a file from one directory to the another by dragging its icon with the mouse than by having to remember and type commands to accomplish the same task. Graphical user interface operating system have become the dominant operating system used by the present day end user. Example of a graphical user interface operating system are Microsoft Windows, Apple system, Macintosh operating system, Chrome operating system. Operating system, as you know that operating system act as a manager of the computer. There are various type of operating system which are various popular: Unix, MS-DOS, Mac OS and MS Windows. Window. In the following page, we will learn about the MS Window operating system. It is the most popular software in the world today. Microsoft Corporation USA made this user-friendly system. When we switch on the computer, the operating system loaded into computer's memory. This process is called the booting. While your computer is booting, you see a picture of Windows flag as shown. MS Windows system is widely used by people because of the following reason. Programs are arranged in different folder and file. It is graphic based, so we don't have to remember all the command as in some other operating system. It has icons which helps to different thing quickly. It is very easy to use. Thank you, my child.